Hey there, welcome to our latest video where we're going to tackle a common problem that many of us face when dealing with technology. So, picture this. You're working on your MSI GF63 motherboard, trying to fix a little issue, when suddenly, you accidentally break a part on it. The white plastic cover seems to be the culprit in this tricky problem, and you're left wondering what to do next. Well, fret not, because we're here to help you out with this motherboard mishap solution. Now, when it comes to that broken plastic cover on the MSI GF63 motherboard, here's the deal. That cover is actually part of the connector itself. So, the entire connector may need to be replaced, as you can't just buy a new cover for it. If you can find an exact replacement for the foil contact connector, you might be able to carefully transplant the cover onto the broken connector. However, beware, as you may have also damaged the fragile foil cable in the process. If your computer is still functioning fine despite the broken part, it might be best to leave it be for now. To wrap things up, remember that when facing a problem like a broken part on your MSI GF63 motherboard, it's important to proceed with caution and consider all your options before attempting any fixes. In this case, the connector and foil cable may need to be replaced if you want to restore the motherboard to its full functionality. We hope this video has been helpful for you, and if you enjoyed it, don't forget to subscribe, like, and leave a comment below with your thoughts or any tech mishaps you've experienced. Thanks for watching, and until next time, happy troubleshooting.